Removing Uber Pro card from wallet is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can remove Uber Pro card from wallet. Well, the process is very simple. In order to do that, we have two options here. First of all, if you want to delete it from the app, in order to do that, you simply have to go to your Uber app menu and then you just have to tap on payment method. In the payment method, you just have to select the card and tap on delete card to delete it. However, the second thing is if you have added your Uber Pro card into your Apple or Google Wallet, how can you do that? In order to do that, you simply have to open up your Perspective wallet. You just have to open up your Apple wallet if you're on iOS device, or if you are on your Android device, just open up your Android wallet. And then tap off the card which you want to delete. You just have to, you will see your card, something like that. Here you have to tap on these three dots, and afterwards, these options will pop up. Here you have to tap on this remove card to remove your card completely. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.